We've made it 25 minutes up the hill and the wind is literally blowing me away. I'm gonna go back down. Rowan and Cosmo have continued to go back up. Let me just show you this view though, because it is amazing. This is the view we have from 25 minutes in. It's pretty nice. We're all up in all these rocks at the moment. I've just walked down from there and I've still got all these rocks to go, so wish me luck. If this video doesn't post, then I haven't made it. Rowan's hat was also blowing off, so I'm taking that down with me. I am 100% sure that there are snakes all through these bushes. Can you see the van all the way down there? That's it, right there. That's how far up we are. Home sweet home. You're watching, sorry bud. I thought he might have been sleeping. She's a little bumpy and we're probably going 5 k's an hour. Oh, 10. We're going 10 k's an hour. Oh, but the view is gorgeous. What do you reckon, bud? We have a great hidden spot to share with you guys on the Eyre Peninsula. We came here yesterday not knowing that this was here, and it's basically right outside of where we parked for the night, and it is just beautiful. Let me show you. It's a massive swimming pool in amongst all of these rocks that have beautiful red tones, and it's coming in from the ocean, so the water's not stagnant or anything, and it is so clear. It's beautiful. There's 78 concrete stairs to get down to this spot, but it's so worth it. That was perfect until you threw the rock. These rocks on the beach also kind of look like crystals, but I also have no idea what I'm talking about, so they could just be regular rocks. They look like crystals though, right? Here's our little adventurer. He loves rocks, we've discovered. That's the beach area with the staircase up there that we came in on. And the beautiful swimming pool. And just up these stairs is where we stayed for the night. We just went swimming at Point Drummond. How was it?
Cold.
Cold.
Cold, very windy.
Very windy. Cosmo is very, very scruffy. He even tried swimming, which was great. Oh, a bit tired now, sorry. Shouldn't catch him while he's asleep. But yes, on to the next location. We're not sure where we're going next, but we'll show you soon. We've just arrived at Cummings Monument and it is so beautiful. The only issue is if you're planning to come here, the road in is so rocky. So just be aware of that. You know what we've loved most on this trip? Corrugated roads. They're the best. The worst. We just came across the coolest place with these sand dunes. Might try and ride down them on Rowan's skateboard. Could be fun. Turns out this blow-up tyre did not work in sand. The skateboard's working, kind of. Oh my god, mate, you can do it! We just gave Cosmo a wash for the first time in 3 weeks. And now we're running him around the oval. It's a good day. We've just come from Point Drummond and as you can see, this is filthy, like full of dust. Same with our floors, same with our bedding and everything. So Rowan's just on a boys' call at the moment and I'm gonna do some cleaning because this place is revolting. We're currently at the town of Elliston and we got to fill up our whole water tank for only $7 and we washed Cosmo off as well and we ran him around this oval. Pretty cute little town. Elliston has blessed us with some beautiful rain. Kind of forgot I left this out in the rain though. Oops. Rowan's over there under the shade of this community centre thing on his voice call and he's just shaking his head at me like he can't believe I'm doing this. I can't actually believe I'm doing this either, but it's actually so refreshing. Still pretty cool. Thank you. Not the best day for it, but it's still pretty cool. Hey Cosmo, have you just been in the rain? Look at all that scruff. Close up. He had little orange boots before because of the rain and the mud. didn't like his own swing. We're currently at this beautiful spot, probably about halfway between Ceduna and Port Augusta, called Pilbara Rock. And I've just washed my hair, which feels amazing. I'm very surprised that nobody is here though. We're the only ones here. And Rowan was flying his drone around, racing around the trees, so I'll put that clip in here. We haven't explored it yet. We're gonna wait till it gets a little bit cooler. So we'll show you that one this afternoon. Now I'm gonna hop out of the sun because I'm gonna burn.
Hey, Cosmo, what have you caught?
Got one. Cosmo's having his morning swim in the rock pools on top of Pilbara Rock. There's a nice dirt track around the rock, so we're all going for a run. Cosmo and I have just taken a break and Rowan's still going. Beautiful rock. You can climb up onto the top and there's rock pools and everything, as you would have seen just before. Just trying to catch my breath back because I have not run in a very long time. We're doing 1 minute intervals, 1 minute on, 1 minute off. And Cosmo just wants to constantly keep running, so he's keeping me accountable, that's for sure. And let's go again, bud. I love how all these locations have a visitor's book so we can write exactly what we thought about it. It's just such a cool idea to see who else has been here as well. I love it. Very, very cool place. It's almost like a mini Uluru, but you can climb on it. This lifestyle really is awesome. I'm so grateful. So we've come to a stop. It's raining like crazy today, and the floods over there apparently are racing like 40 k's an hour. Everyone's stopped. These road trains can't even turn around, the poor buggers. So we're gonna detour about an hour back the way we just came. Should be fun.
Yay!
Yay!
What's up?
this one up here looks deep. I don't think we should do this one. God damn, how are we gonna get? So we had no service for 2 days at the Pildara Rock, and we can't get anywhere because South Australia is flooded, which we had no idea about until we got to a flooded road. But yeah, so we just wasted about 2 hours worth of petrol. So we're staying in Lock for the night, and hopefully we can keep going in the morning. It's now the next morning. We're still in Lock. We have checked all the roads out of here in the direction we want to go, and they're all closed due to floods for another day. So we'll be staying here. Rowan's doing a deep clean. I'm editing the videos. It's going to be a slow one today. And the mosquitoes here are ruthless. I got about 10 new bites last night, and Rowan probably got 0.
1 or 2 maybe.
1 or 2.